Good morning, friends and family.
Hello.
We are at Redbank Gorge in Northern Territory, and we are gonna make a walk or hike, or what do you want to call it? It's supposed to be 2.5 hours to go start and back, right?
Yep.
It's a little bit after 9 o'clock in the morning. We were supposed to go earlier, I think, but anyway, I think we're gonna have a great day here. The trail said it's 7 kilometers, which it is, but we are not gonna do the whole thing. It's a bit too long. It's something that's really important here, that you adjust your walking track to your skills. It's not gonna be too difficult because we also have the heat, and yeah, everything can happen. Always have to be cautious. The lap that we are gonna make is gonna be 5 kilometers, right?
Yeah, with the return.
Yeah, 5 kilometers with the return. And also want to tell you something that's really important. Something we always talk about when we are on these walks is like, where are we? What's the name of this place? What's the number, the SOS number?
Yeah, to know where we are.
Yeah. If something happens, we need to be prepared for like what number we should call and what location we should give them so they can find us. And it's very different because we never do that in Sweden. It's just because everything really can happen here. And we also carry like a first aid kit, of course, with bandage and stuff if something happens. Okay, so we walked about 2 kilometers. So I have like half a kilometer left to the top.
Yeah.
Which is our goal. How do you feel?
I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's hard, it's heavy in this heat, and it's uphill and very rocky. We're gonna make it in our own timeline, tempo. What do you call tempo?
Yeah, something like that.
I vårt eget tempo. It's beautiful though, so we like to stop a while and just look at this fantastic view. So there is a little sign here, and it says it's 1,380 meters up, and it's the 4th highest mountain in Northern Territory. So that's pretty cool. Now we're going down again. No, not again. We're going down.
We're doing some leftovers from yesterday, which is rice and minced meat with taco seasoning, and some vegetables and crème fraîche. We did our hike from down there in the car park, down there, and we walked all the way up here and up to this mountain right here.
So now we are going to Palm Valley, and it's 4-wheel driving. The last part is a 4-wheel driving. So we need to take out some air from the tires because the road looks more like this, stones and sand. Hi, hello mate, how's it going?
Shit, fuck, you scared me, eh? And we're going from 40 psi down to 26 in the front and 28-30 in the back, because we're much heavier on the back.
So now you know.
Some good information if you're doing these kinds of roads.
Oh, we need to close the door. It may be interesting to know that before we're going into different national parks and to campgrounds, it's always these signs that says you need to collect firewood before you go into the national park. So that's what we're doing now. We are here at the campground, and it's just so amazing. It's a fly on the lens, and it's just amazing. I would not expect this, and it's so peaceful and quiet. That's why I'm whispering, because you don't want to ruin the peace here. These mountains here, or red rocks or whatever, they're so cool. So I think we actually will spend a day here tomorrow and explore just around this national park. Very, very beautiful, everything. And they have a shower with hot water, which is gonna be very nice after the long walking track today on the mountain. Oh, so nice. So nice.
Hello.
Hello.
We are gonna finish this off.
So beautiful views, and now we're at a really beautiful and nice campground. So
with other beautiful views.
Maybe we should vlog tomorrow as well, because it looks really nice here. So maybe you can see this in another vlog or not.
But
who knows?
We are not allowed to fly drones here.
It is what it is. In some national parks, we are not allowed to fly the drone.
But if you're sneaky, you can just drive a bit outside the national park and then fly.
What?
If you're sneaky, you can drive out of the natural park and fly a drone outside and video film everything that's inside the national park, but not into the national park. You're outside.
Can you explain it one more time? Yes, we can be sneaky. We can.
We can maybe film the road when we're going out.
Why are we talking about this in this vlog? Whatever. This vlog are we gonna finish here right now, and we see you next time.
Okej, hejdå.
Yes. Hejdå. Puss och kram.